Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is a Christmas tree theme author boat. It's a plastic boat, and I remember actually this one I made this quite long time ago. I think for 5 or 6 years. If I'm not wrong, it's 5 years or yeah, at least 4 years ago that I inspired by Neri. If I remember, it's inspired by Neri, cause she used like this kind of the something like the Christmas book to alter different of the project, and what I made is a Christmas theme. So yeah, this is how my look like, and this is I ordered it with the tiny Christmas tree, and I bleach this kind of the brush Christmas tree. The original color is like a dark green, so I use the bleach to bleach like so. And here you can see I add the bottle because I want to this one look more higher, so I don't have the bigger tree. What I have is all this kind of the small tree, so yeah, I use this, and I put the, you can use it as a any holder, but what I make is I make this music notes to hang this like so. Okay, and this is the small one, and yeah, for this book kit I is different from what I show you now, because I don't have the big wing anymore. So yeah, just make something different, but others is same. Okay, this is like so. Okay, and now I show you the kit. For the kit, I paint it. Its original color is the very bright red color, and I paint in the white and use the cheesecloth cover. You can see the if you can see, I also paint inside. Okay, you can see the red. So yeah, I paint it in white, vintage white, and layer with the cheesecloth, and also layer with the hand dye tea dye lace fabric, so it came out like so. Okay, so for the kit you will have one big boot and one medium size boot. So okay, and also with the music note. Okay, and now I show you the items included into the kit. Okay, and yeah, this one I paint in the fabric and layer with the music note. Underneath is the paper, so you can cut it out and yeah, hang onto your boat. Okay, and this is one of my favorite fluffy trim, and I don't have much anymore, but this is perfect for this kit because you can see the shimmery, and yeah, so I have 1 yard of this, and also with this glitter, this pale gold trim, so you can use it to cover all the edges here. So yeah, you have this, and also tea dye this one, so you can use this to see how you do it. You can use this to go around the boots Okay, and also I provide this, and it's you can see the gold is matching, so yeah, you can use this to like so. Okay, turn up this, and also some of these like a tangle lace that I use like so, but this one different, and also some music note. This one is like a canvas or muslin, yeah. You can use this, and also yeah, I also provide one of this bottle that I show you just now. I glue the tiny tree on top and put like so. See, yeah, maybe you can change your mind, change your idea. But anyway, I include this one, and I also put one of these this cherub. So yeah, if you want, you can put like so. I'll put this one here. Okay, so you can start to decorate. And also I include two of these with the trumpet angel. So you can, if you want, you can glue this on here, another side. Okay. And also some of the vintage gold thread embroidery flower. You can cut this out and create two of these, so you can cut a piece, and so one of these, because this rose gold with the sequins I don't have much, and I only have 2 or 3, so I include one of for this kit. Okay, and also some of the tie, so you can tie like so, just like me, what I did here. Okay, so some of this, and also some I still have these 2 of these tiny wings, so you can use this to put here, if to put at the back with too small, but anyway, so you can see what you can do. And also some of these shimmer snowflake. Later I will put one. This one I cut half. Later I will see. I will check. I will put one cut half because I want to show you how to decorate this. So I cut it half. Okay, so you can like so. This is like this. Okay, so you got this. I will put one more piece here. Later I will check. Okay, and some of these tiny Christmas tree that I already preached in this color. You have 6, because I put 3 in each boots, so you got 6 here. And also some of the trinket that I hang onto the music note, like so. Okay, but different. Like I said, this was the one I made quite some time ago, and some of these tiny doodads that I use it. You can see. like so. Put some onto the tray. So you have some of this here. And some more. Yeah, some of the snowflakes, and also include the tiny dove and this tiny little cherub that I use, put like so behind the wing. Okay, so yeah, just like this. Okay, and also yes, this tiny dove and some of the pin, so you can hang the trinket, and you cut the little tiny tag and hang just like so. And this one, sorry, little tiny trinket here. So okay, so yeah, I only have made 2 sets. So yeah, who interested, then just stop by to my kit group and just place your order in the comment, and yeah, that's it. And wishing a happy holiday in advance to everyone. And yeah, I will come back to show you another kit. And yeah, if you like this kit, just give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Okay, and I remember I do the video to show you this kit books before, but anyway, because I want to make some, because I found some, still have some of the books in my stash, so I make 2 kits and see who interested, so you can get this. Okay, and thanks again for everyone. And